Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss question paper format for annual examination. Okay. Today we are going to discuss question paper format for annual examination in the subject of biology. Okay. The time for this paper is 3 hours and the total marks is 70 marks. Now first is general instructions. On your question paper, 12th standard student, general instructions will be written. And what are the general instructions? First we will discuss that. This general instruction, first point is section A. In your paper, total 4 sections will be there. Section A, section B, section C, section D. So first is for section A. First general instruction is for section A. In section A, there are 2 questions. Question number 1 and question number 2. In question number 1, this question number 1 contains 10 multiple choice type of questions. Question number 1 contains 10 multiple type of questions which carry 1 mark each. 1 mark for single question and total for single MCQ, and total 10 MCQs will be there. Means this question is for 10 marks. 10 MCQ, 10 marks. 1 mark for single MCQ. Then question number 2. This question number 2 contains 8 very short answer type of questions. In this question, 8 questions are present and these are very short type of questions. And this also carries 1 mark each. Means 8 question, 8 marks. Okay. Then section B. This section B consists of question number 3 to question number 14. From question number 3 to question number 14 is section B, and this section B contains very short answer type of questions. Very short answer type of questions, and this will be there for 2 marks each. Okay. These questions will be there for 2 marks. Means question number 3 to question number 14. All these questions will be for. Next section is section C. In this section includes question number 15 to question number 26. Question number 15 to question number 26. And these questions are short answer type of questions. Okay, these questions are short answer type of questions which carry 3 marks each. Means every question which is present in section C, these questions will be for 3 marks. Then last section is section D. Section D, it includes question number 27 to question number 31. Okay, and these questions are long answer type of questions. These questions are long answer type of question which carries 4 marks each. Every question is present in section D, that is 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. All these questions will be there for 4 marks. Each question will be for 4 marks. Now, next instruction is figures to the right indicate full marks. Figures to the right indicate full marks means if it is question number 1, this will be MCQ. So it is written here 10 marks. MCQ for 10 marks. So it means that what this point means that the figure which is present on the right side, it indicates full marks. is how much marks for this question is there, that figure indicates. Then next is for each MCQ, correct answer must be written along with its alphabet. What you have to do for this MCQ, you know, do not have to copy the question, no need of writing the question, only you have to write the correct answer but with its alphabet. For example, you can see here, if the correct answer is present in alphabet A, so you have to write alphabet A and the correct answer for that. Then only you will be given 1 mark. And next is only first attempt will be considered for evaluation. Means if you are writing, for example, any one question is there and you are writing A answer, first option, A option, then second time you are, if you think that this is not a correct answer, you cut it and you write another answer, then that will not be considered. Only first attempt will be considered for giving you marks. Okay, so think properly, which answer is right, then only write the answer. You leave the space for writing the answer. If you think afterwards, if you get afterward time, then think about that question and write. But do not write wrong answer, because it will not be considered. If you write one answer wrong, then second answer right, then it will not be considered. Okay, so think and then write the answer. Now this is your paper format. Okay, section A. Section A, as I said, it consists of 2 questions. Question number 1, that is select and write the correct answer, that will be for 10 marks, and it will include 10 MCQ, that is from Roman letter 1 to 10. Total 10 MCQs will be there, 1 marks for each MCQ, and you have to take care, you have to write correct answer and also its alphabet. If it is B, then you have to write B and answer. Then only you are going to get 1 mark. Okay, and no need of writing question, no need to copy the question. Just write the correct alphabet and correct answer. This will be your question number 1. Then next question is question number 2. Answer the following. That will be for 8 marks, and this question number 2 includes very short answers. Very short answers will be there. 1 word answer, always simple answer will be there for 1 mark. And it includes total 8 questions, that is from Roman letter 1 to Roman letter 8. So this section is this section is for 18 marks. Total 18 marks is there for section A, and it includes 2 questions, question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 for 10 marks, that is MCQ for 10 marks. Question number 2, that is very short answer, that will be for 8 marks. Okay, then we'll continue with section B. Section B, it includes short answer type 1, and here you have to attempt any 8 questions, and each question will be for 2 marks. So as you have to write 8 answers and you have to attempt 8 questions, this will be for 16 marks, 2 marks each. And this will include question number 13 to question number, question number 3 to question number 14. Means total 12 questions will be there, out of that 12 question, you have to attempt 8 question. Okay? Out of 12 question, you have to attempt 8 question, and that will be there for 16 marks. And this will be short answer type 1. Okay, this includes short answer. It will be including distinguish between short notes, give the function of significance, and you draw a diagram, or diagram will be given, you have to label it. Okay, these types of question will be included in short answer type 1, that is from question number 3 to question number 14. Total 12 question. Out of 12 you have to attempt any 8 question. The next section is section C. Section C is for 24 marks, and in this section you have to attempt 8 questions. Okay, and total there will be here also total 12 questions. Means question number 15 to question number 26. Total 12 questions will be there. Out of that 12 question, you have to attempt any 8 question. And here one question is for 3 marks. Okay, as to have you have to attempt 8 question. So 8 3s are 24. Means this section C is for 24 marks. Okay, and this includes the question that is short answer type 2. Short answers will be there type 2. Okay, this will also include distinguish, draw diagram, or the answer which will include more points than question of section B. Okay, then last section is section D. Section D is for 12 marks. Here you have to attempt any 3 out of 5. Means question number 27 to question number 31 is present in section D. As you have to attempt any 3 out of 5, so one question will be for 4 marks. So it will be 4 3s are 12. Section D is for 12. And here this includes long answer questions. Long answers will be included in section D. All long answers will be. Okay. So your paper, as I said, it is for 70 marks. You can see question number 1 10 marks, question number 2 8 marks, question number 3 to 14, that is section B 16 marks, then section C 24 marks, and section D is for 12 marks. Means total it will be there for 70 marks. Your paper, if we see without option, it is for 98 marks, and you have to attempt 70 marks question. Okay, 70 marks will be there for your theory paper, and 30 marks is there for your practical. Means your total biology paper is for 100 marks. 70 plus 30, 100 marks. So this is your theory paper format, that is there for 70 marks. Okay, thank you.